Welcome to IBM Digital Nation Africa. Your journey to get empowered with digital skills starts here. DNA is a learning, innovation, and job finding platform where you can earn IBM Digital badges. The platform offers a wide range of courses and tools to help you learn about the latest technology trends and explore new opportunities in the real world. IBM Digital badges are verified proof of your achievements recognized, respected, and valued in the IT industry. These badges can be included in your CV and shared on social media. On this page, you can choose to navigate to one of the three journeys. Explorer, where you can learn about the latest emerging technologies such as cloud, AI, Internet of Things, and blockchain. Innovator, where you can get inspired, learn the foundation of design thinking process, and build innovative solutions using the free IBM Cloud Lite services. For advanced learning, you can navigate through our courses in New Color, learn the latest technology skills in the market, and search for available job postings across many recruitment sites in Africa, all in one place. In the Explorer journey, you will learn about the latest emerging technologies such as cloud, AI, data science and analytics, Internet of Things, blockchain, and cybersecurity. You can find the duration and completion status of these courses at the bottom of each course. Each course gives you a quick introduction to that emerging technology, a number of case studies where you can learn how the technology has been implemented on real projects, a quiz where we test your understanding of the course, and a wrap-up section where we give you a summary and additional learning material available to you. Let's take the cloud course as an example. To begin, click the Launch button. The course consists of short videos and transcripts available for download. There are 5 components to the course: skill overview, introduction, case studies, quiz, and a wrap-up section. Every course earns you an IBM Digital badge when you score 80% or more on the quiz. The wrap-up section consists of the summary and next steps. Next steps guide you to additional resources that you can explore on the technology. Once you are done, you can go through any of the other courses or navigate to the next section. The Innovator journey is designed to help accelerate innovation and enable would-be innovators, startups, entrepreneurs, and practitioners to bring their ideas to life. There are 3 steps in the Innovator journey: get inspired, design, and build. The Get Inspired section features ideas that you can get some inspiration from before creating something of your own. Let's take Ivy as an example. Ivy is a customized and responsive guest experience for hotel guests. If you opt in to use Ivy, a welcome text arrives on your mobile when you enter the room, initiating the service. This is an example of a virtual assistant or chatbot idea that was developed for the hospitality industry. You can learn from what Ivy does and get inspired with ideas for your next application. You can explore other ideas in this section that IBM and its partners have implemented on different technology topics such as AI and IoT, and get inspired for your next idea. After getting some inspiration, we go on to the Design section. Learn the design thinking process that focuses on what matters to users as you design your solution from end user needs to ideas and eventually to a minimum viable product. The design thinking process fosters creativity, empathy, and innovation to help you build products that your users will love. As we scroll down, you can see that under Design Stories, there is a list of real-life projects that have used the design thinking process to design and build or improve the target application. Now that you got inspired with an idea and learn how to use the design thinking process to create your prototype, you can use the IBM Cloud and AI platform services to bring your ideas to life. The Build section features the Getting Started series of project-based courses with hands-on exercises with the objective of building a functional application or service by the end of the course. These courses include learning material with videos, practical labs, and quizzes that allow you to earn IBM Digital badges. Once you build your solution, we invite you to explore the New Color section to start learning additional skills that could complement your learning and the solutions you have built. The New Color journey is for those who want to learn new relevant skills aligned to the requirements of the job market and seek better employment opportunities. The New Color journey has two functions. 1. A catalog of available courses where the user can browse learning paths in different job roles, such as web application development, cloud, AI, and blockchain. In the course catalog, you can add courses by clicking the Add to My Learning button, then navigate to My Learning tab to view the courses you've just added. You can launch the course by clicking on it. Each course consists of an overview and a set of theories which come in video and text format, as well as hands-on exercises followed by a final assessment. Upon successful completion of the course and passing the final assessment, you can earn an IBM Digital badge. The second function of the New Color journey is the Job Advisor tool powered by Watson Technology that helps in job matching relevant to your skills and performs a skill gap analysis and advises you on the available courses that you can add to your learning journey. To begin, you may first want to fill out your profile by clicking Start Watson Interview. You also have the choice of adding information manually by scrolling down and completing the relevant sections, for example, education, experience, and skills. Once you complete your profile, you can go to the job section to see a full list of all the available technology jobs across the many recruitment sites covering all regions in Africa. On this page, you can use the Filter by Watson feature to let Watson analyze your skills and find positions in the job market that best fit your profile. You can browse through the available best matched jobs. You can click on Learn More. Here you will see the job description along with your skill that it has matched to, as well as any missing skills that you may have. You will also have the option to add missing skills to your learning journey. You can learn more about this job by clicking Apply. Clicking Apply will take you to the job posting website. On the Badges page, users can view information about the IBM Digital Badge program and the details of every badge available in DNA. Click on My Dashboard to view your progress across the 3 DNA journeys: Explorer, Innovator, and New Color. This page will show all the courses that you have either completed or are currently working on. The page will also show you all the badges you have earned in your journey so far. You can filter the courses by journey, technology topic, or by progress. You can also view all your badges by clicking Show My Badges button. On the top banner, you can also view the total number of badges you have earned. Click on Update IBM Profile, link located on the top banner to access your IBM profile in order to make any changes, including your password. You can also access your IBM profile by clicking on the user icon on the top right corner of your screen and by selecting My IBM. Click About to know more about DNA's objectives, its collaborators, and to learn more about the IBM brand. The help page has FAQs, and the user can also submit their feedback or questions using the Contact Us form. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We wish you the best in your learning journey.